In today's video, I'll show you how to fix 100% CPU usage in Windows 11. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. First, let's open Task Manager to see what's causing the high CPU usage. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and click on the CPU column to sort by CPU usage. Look for any processes that are using a lot of CPU. If you see any processes using a high amount of CPU that you don't need, you can end them. Right-click on the process and select End Task. Be careful not to end any system-critical processes. This can temporarily reduce CPU usage. Next, let's disable unnecessary startup programs that might be causing high CPU usage. In Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. Right-click on any programs you don't need to start automatically and select Disable. This will prevent them from running at startup and using CPU resources. Outdated or corrupt drivers can cause high CPU usage. To update your drivers, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Right-click on each device and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for updated driver software to let Windows find and install the latest drivers. Malware can also cause high CPU usage. Run a full system scan using Windows Security, which comes built in with Windows 11. Click on the Start icon, then select Settings. Go to the Privacy and Security tab and select Windows Security. Here, go to Virus and Threat Protection and click on Quick Scan or Full Scan to check if there are any threats on your PC. High-performance power plans can sometimes cause high CPU usage. To adjust your power options, go to Settings, then System, and select Power and Battery. In the Power Mode section, select Balanced or Best Power Efficiency instead of Best Performance. Windows search indexing can cause high CPU usage. To disable it, press Win-R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, find Windows Search. Right-click on it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Disabled. Then click Stop and OK. Microsoft frequently releases updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Make sure your Windows 11 is up to date by going to Settings, then Windows Update, and clicking on Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Also, you can check out another video about how to fix 100% CPU usage in Windows 10. See you soon.